There's a Beaver moon out tonight, and I want to take the drone up to see if I can capture some of that moon. And with the city lights below, one of the most harrowing things to do is to fly a drone, such as the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which has the 360 optical avoidance, because when you're flying at night in the night mode, that's disabled. So you have to know the terrain and area that you're flying in. So I'm going to take up my drone and see if I can get some of that moon up there. The moon is deceptive because, while to the naked eye, it's right there. And you would think that the drone would capture the moon as your eyes see it, but I find that's not the case. The moon is very far away. And one of the things I like about the DJI Mini 4 Pro is that I can angle the gimbal up enough where I can capture the moon if it's high in the sky. So I'm hoping that this video footage will come out fine. Okay, let's get on with this drone flight. I hope you guys enjoy it.